Okay, our white wine is now boiling with our zucchini and onions. So we're going to go ahead and add our tomato. We're going to move those around so that they can pick up the flavor of the white wine. And then we're going to take 2 artichoke hearts. And we're going to quarter them. And don't worry about this being too much of a mouthful, because as this cooks, the artichoke hearts will break up. And again, you want to press them down into the white wine.